Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to set up Facebook sales channel in your Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, open your Shopify admin page and then click the plus button next to the sales channel. And now after clicking the plus button, you have to install Facebook channel. So click plus next to Facebook and then click on the update sales channel button. After that, you have to click start setup and the features which you want, and now click on the connect account button, and now log into your Facebook account and click connect to Facebook assets. After connecting to your Facebook assets, you have to accept the terms and conditions, and now click on the finish setup button. So that's how you can set up Facebook sales channel to Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.